go into round 7, the second half of this fight underway. Canelo Alvarez, 41-0-130 knockouts. Austin Trout, 26-0-14. There's a big right hand that drops Trout. We talked about the momentum of the uppercut in round 6. And a big breakthrough for Canelo.
That was a straight right hand that caught him early in the round and dazed him and hurt him. He looks like he has his legs back, but Canelo will try to hurt him here.
Another big right hand by Canelo. The right hand lead against the lefty. It came up big for him early in round 7.
Trout fighting back.
Good right hand by Alvarez. Trout right there. Not tying up, not trying to buy time. It's war.
What we're seeing here is two young title holders who want to be great men.
And so for Trout, that means rising from adversity. That big right hand he took, comes up, and shows a little more, and there's Canelo with another big right hand. Another one. Good left hook. He's a heavy-handed puncher, and as we said earlier, most likely the best puncher that Trout has ever faced.
Well,
Trout is right back on him.
But the more he fights Canelo, the more he puts himself in harm's way.
Where's the jabbing and the movement that was there earlier? It's been taken out of him now by the body shots and the big right hand that put him down. And here is Alvarez shortening the distance. Alvarez loading up his next big shot, fires it to the body. And Trout not quite as sure of his jab right now. Good right hand by Alvarez. Excellent right hand to the body. Trout is back, but a lot of steam may have been taken out of him by the Alvarez assault.
There's that straight right hand that hurt Trout and may have taken some of the spring out of his legs, but it didn't take it out of his heart.
No, the first knockdown in his career suffered here. He came up after this and was willing to engage.